We've been told for years that antibiotics are the answer to everything. You have a stomach bug. Take some pills. You feel bloated, gassy, tired after every meal. Doctors hand you yet another prescription. But what if I told you that overusing antibiotics might actually be making things worse, and the real solution has been sitting in your kitchen all along? Here's the truth. Harmful bacteria in your stomach can cause much more than just a little discomfort. They can lead to chronic illness, rob you of your energy, and even set the stage for serious disease. And yet, millions of seniors just like you keep suffering, going from one medication to the next, never really feeling better. I want to share with you a simple 2-ingredient remedy, one that's been used on the Mediterranean coast for generations, that could change everything. This isn't some gimmick or fad. It's natural, safe, and easy to prepare at home. Seniors who've tried it report improved digestion, more regular bowel movements, and a surprising boost in overall well-being. So if you're tired of feeling sick and tired, stay with me. You deserve to feel good again. And it all starts with what you put on your plate. Most people don't think twice about what's really going on inside their stomach. You feel a little bloated after dinner, you blame it on the beans. You're constipated or running to the bathroom too often. It's just part of getting older, they say. But what if those little signs are actually your body's way of crying out for help? The truth is, harmful bacteria can build up in your stomach over time. And for seniors whose immune systems are already weaker, this can be a serious threat. These bacteria don't just make you uncomfortable, they can actually damage the lining of your stomach, inflame your intestines, and even increase your risk of ulcers, infections, and long-term disease. And here's the catch. Many of the medications prescribed to treat stomach problems actually wipe out good bacteria too, leaving you vulnerable to even more digestive trouble. Antibiotics, for example, kill indiscriminately. They don't just target the bad guys. That's why so many seniors find themselves caught in a frustrating cycle. Take a pill, feel worse, take another pill, feel even worse. Over time, this imbalance of bacteria called dysbiosis can sap your energy, weaken your immune defenses, and make it harder to absorb the nutrients your body desperately needs to stay strong. That's why it's so important to address the root of the problem, clearing out the harmful bacteria and restoring balance to your digestive system in a gentle, natural way. Coming up, I'll show you how a simple mixture of 2 natural ingredients can do just that. But first, I want you to imagine what life could feel like if your stomach worked the way it was meant to, light, comfortable, and healthy. You can get there, and I'll show you how. Let's start with the star of this remedy, the humble fig. Figs have been cherished for thousands of years. Ancient cultures considered them a symbol of health, fertility, and even wisdom. And it turns out, they had good reason. This little fruit is packed with nutrients that are especially important for seniors, and it does much more than just taste sweet. For one thing, figs are among the highest plant-based sources of calcium. That makes them a fantastic choice for seniors who are lactose intolerant or sensitive to dairy products, but still need to protect their bones. Just a few servings of figs a week can help keep your bones strong and reduce your risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Figs are also full of dietary fiber, which is something many seniors don't get enough of. That fiber helps keep your digestion regular, prevents constipation, and feeds the healthy bacteria in your gut, so they can crowd out the harmful ones. It's a gentle, natural way to support your bowels without relying on harsh laxatives. Then there's potassium, another nutrient figs have in abundance. Potassium helps balance your blood pressure, support proper heart function, and even reduce your risk of stroke. It's also important for keeping your muscles and nerves working the way they should. But the benefits don't stop there. Figs also provide vitamin C, which can help your skin stay healthy and bright, even out your skin tone, and fight off free radicals that contribute to aging. They're loaded with antioxidants too, which protect your cells from damage and keep you feeling younger. And finally, figs contain omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, the kind of healthy fats that help protect your heart and may even prevent coronary disease. Put all of this together and you can see why figs aren't just a tasty snack. They're a powerful natural medicine. And when you combine them with olive oil, something even more remarkable happens. Now let's talk about the second ingredient in this simple remedy, olive oil. Olive oil has been called liquid gold for centuries, and it's a staple of the Mediterranean diet, one of the healthiest eating patterns in the world. For good reason too, it's packed with powerful compounds that protect your body in ways you might not even realize. First, olive oil is rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. These good fats help lower bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol, which protects your arteries and lowers your risk of heart attack and stroke, two of the biggest concerns for seniors. But olive oil isn't just about fat. It also contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds. Chronic inflammation is a silent problem that contributes to arthritis, diabetes, and even dementia. A little olive oil every day can help calm inflammation and keep your joints and your mind sharp. Olive oil is also full of antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, which fight oxidative stress, the kind of damage to your cells that speeds up aging and disease. And here's something many people don't know: olive oil can soothe your digestive system too. It helps your gallbladder and liver function properly, keeps bile flowing, and supports a smooth, regular digestive process. When you combine olive oil with figs, their nutrients work together to help clear harmful bacteria from your stomach and restore balance. It's a natural partnership that's been used on the Mediterranean coast for generations, and now it's your turn to experience its healing power. So now let me show you exactly how to make this remedy at home. The beauty of this recipe is in its simplicity. You don't need any fancy equipment, no expensive supplements, and no complicated steps. Just 2 wholesome ingredients and a little bit of patience. Here's what you'll need: 40 pieces of high-quality dried figs and enough olive oil to cover them completely. Look for figs that are soft, plump, and free of added sugar or preservatives. Organic is ideal if you can find it. And choose a good quality extra virgin olive oil. It should be fresh, fragrant, and preferably cold-pressed. Take a clean glass jar with a tight-fitting lid big enough to hold all the figs. Gently place the dried figs in the jar, stacking them neatly until they fill it. Slowly pour olive oil over the figs until they are completely submerged. Make sure every fig is covered in oil. Seal the jar tightly and store it in a cool, dark place for 40 days. This gives the figs time to absorb the olive oil and release their healing properties into the mixture. That's it. After 40 days, your remedy is ready to use. Eat 1 fig before every meal: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can also take a small spoonful of the infused olive oil if you'd like to get even more of its benefits. Many people report feeling the difference in just a few weeks: less bloating, more regular bowel movements, easier digestion, even better energy. It's a gentle, natural way to support your stomach and your whole body. And remember, consistency is key. Like most natural remedies, this works best when you make it part of your daily routine. Imagine how empowering it will feel to take control of your health with something you made yourself: no side effects, no chemicals, just nature's own medicine. But the benefits don't stop there. Over the years, people from Mediterranean coastal communities have used this same mixture for a wide variety of health concerns. And modern research suggests they were onto something. For example, many seniors have reported relief from hemorrhoids after just a few weeks of regular use. The combination of fiber, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory compounds helps soften stools and soothe inflamed tissues, making bathroom trips far more comfortable. It also seems to have a positive effect on cholesterol levels, lowering harmful LDL cholesterol and supporting overall heart health. That's good news for anyone looking to protect their arteries and reduce the risk of stroke. Those who suffer from bronchitis or asthma have also claimed improvement, likely thanks to the anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties of both ingredients. Some users with anemia have noticed an increase in energy and better blood work results over time, which makes sense since figs provide a natural source of iron and nutrients that support red blood cell production. And here's one of the most touching stories: women who had struggled for years to conceive have claimed that this remedy helped them finally get pregnant. Whether it's due to improved hormone balance, better overall health, or simply reducing inflammation, it's a hopeful reminder of the body's ability to heal itself when given the right support. Think of this remedy as more than just a stomach aid. It's a gift from nature that supports your whole body, from your heart and lungs to your skin bones and even your mood. And the best part? It's simple, safe, and made right in your own kitchen. You've spent too many years feeling uncomfortable, tired, and let down by quick fixes that never seem to work. But now you know your body doesn't need more pills or harsh chemicals. It needs nourishment. This simple remedy of figs and olive oil has been trusted for generations because it works. It helps cleanse your stomach of harmful bacteria, restores balance to your digestion, and gives your entire body the nutrients it's been craving. So here's my encouragement to you: don't wait another day. Go pick up some good figs and a bottle of fresh olive oil and start your jar tonight. Your health is worth it. You are worth it. And if you've ever tried this remedy, or if you have questions before you start, please share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with someone you care about. They deserve to feel better too.